Hello, good morning everybody in Mumbai. Hello, good morning everybody in Thailand Symphony Orchestra and Thailand Philharmonic Orchestra. This is Nifty One Asia investor Rajat Balu Subramaniam Chaudhary, connected with Tokyo Stock Exchange and Tokyo Symphony Orchestra today from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. My music composition going on for Hindi film production in Thailand, Bangkok, with Zain Imam and Esha Rebba as hero heroine. Film title Dilruba Ruth Jai To Main Kya Karu. Dilruba Ruth Jai To Main Kya Karu. Today I'll be talking about the opening credit title song, how the song is opening credit title falling on screen in Thailand, Bangkok. First of all, this is a Thailand, Bangkok based film story of a Hindi film, which is very much modern and technology based. Bangkok, Thailand is a technology city with a part influence of US economy and China economy and South Asian economy. And when you are making a film in Thailand, Bangkok, then you have to go along with the pace of the economy in Thailand, Bangkok. Rajat Bala has already released a film in Thailand. Life starts after a cup of coffee of Ashutosh Gwadekar. Today I will discuss the opening credit title song falling in Thailand on a hero, new hero, Zain Imam. We are showing how we are presenting the film, how we are presenting when you are a Nifty One Asia investor presenting a Hindi film in Bangkok, Thailand. You are presenting the film. That means Nifty One Asia investor Rajat Balu Subramaniam Chaudhary presents this film in Thailand. Then opening credit title song will be a major point of attention and attraction. How the film is starting, how the demand of the opening credit title song falling on screen, where this opening credit title song going on background, and we are seeing the credit titles, the names of the hero, heroines, cast and crew coming on screen. That is very vital how we are presenting the song, opening credit title song presentation in Thailand. I will always bring a reference with Suraj Bajatia ji. Suraj Bajatia ji is one of my very favorite director in Mumbai film industry, who presented Maine Pyar Kiya in 1989. After a lot of hard work, lot of homework, he did his presentation in 1989, had a modern outlook of a family drama with Western influence of music taken from American music and transferred into Hindi music. And Suraj Bajatia gave a very wide range of vast canvas story in Maine Pyar Kiya. In Maine Pyar Kiya, we see a story where a poor father has a daughter that is Aloknath, has a daughter that is Suman. That poor father is going to earn money from Middle East business, some job in business, some job or business in Dubai or some Abu Dhabi or some Mauritius. That poor father is going, but he wants to keep his daughter in a security, in a secured family, of a rich family, that is the family of Prem. And Suman is kept in Prem's family to stay with the family members, and the father is living for his business in Dubai to earn money, and that daughter is staying with a family member, and there is a love affair between Suman and Prem. And Suman and Prem's love affair has many drama, many fun, many friendship, and 9 and 10 songs flowing in the family drama. But when the father comes back after earning money, then there is a clash of the family value and the culture of the family, or the status of the family not giving permission for the marriage to conduct between Prem and Suman. Then Aloknath अपने बेटी को लेके अलग हो जाते हैं. Then प्रेम अपने प्यार को बचाने के लिए अकेला स्ट्रगल करता है, घर छोड़ देता है. प्रेम का फादर प्रेम को वापस लाने के लिए कोशिश करता है. लेकिन प्रेम अपने प्यार को पाने के लिए जिस तरीके से स्ट्रगल दिखाता है, that is a struggle for a family drama, very nicely presented by सूरज बजातिया. सूरज बजातिया तो जानते हैं कि 1989 में इस कैनवस का एक फिल्म को प्रेजेंट करने के पहले क्या क्या काम करना पड़ता है. 1989 के पहले इस तरीके का मैंने प्यार किया का कैनवस प्रेजेंट करने के पहले क्या क्या काम करना पड़ता है 80 से 89 तक सूरज बजातिया को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से पता है. लेकिन आई विल टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग, opening credit title song of Maine Pyar Kiya, which is showing two dancers in the dark dancing, and the Aate Jate Haste Gaate is a song taken from USA song, When I Call to Say I Love You, when I call to say I love you. 1, 2, 3, 4. आते जाते हंसते गाते सोचा था मैंने मन में कई बार, वो पहली नजर हल्का सा असर करता है क्यों इस दिल को बेकरार. रुक के चलना, चल के रुकना, ना जाने तुम्हें है किसका इंतजार. तेरा वो यकीन कहीं मैं तो नहीं, लगता है यही क्यों मुझको बार बार. यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया. This is the opening credit title song when the titles are falling on screen and two dancers are dancing. This presentation is unique presentation. Some kind of confusion is there. But in my film, hero is running on cycle in Bangkok. So many shots are there. He has many activities. And then this song is going on background. The concept is same, but I have no family drama. It is not a family drama. It is the survival of a love affair between Mumbai and Thailand, when a lady journalist is falling in love with a Thailand-based officer, Jain Imam, and he is going back to Thailand. Then the existential question of the drama and the existential question of the survival of the drama is coming, how the love affair will be surviving in Thailand and in Mumbai. Then I have no such drama of Prem and Suman. Then I have no such song but when I wrote the song, I had this drama sense in me, but Suraj Bajatiya designed Maine Pyar Kiya in a very modern, economical way, where the family value touched hearts, millions of hearts. The family value touched millions of hearts, and Suraj Bajatiya did proper justice with all the actors. And this story canvas was very wide, and the survival of a love affair. And I tried to keep a song like Final Countdown, Mere Rang Rang Nibali, Pari Ho Ya Pariyon Ki Rani. बोलो न क्यों ये चांद सितारे तकते हैं यूं मुखड़े को तुम्हारे, झुके बदन को हवा क्यों महकी, रात है क्यों बहकी रहकी. मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो ना, मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली परी हो या हो परियों की रानी, या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी. मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो ना. But here my hero is running on cycle in Bangkok Road. I have drone shot from the sky, and various shots of the Bangkok city, Bangkok airport, flights running, flights taking off, taking down. It's a modern outlook. Today in 2025, we cannot have the concept of Maine Pyar Kiya starting song. My song is going up, my hero is running on cycle, and the tune going, Dilruba, 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 Dilruba. So I have to give a justification. Dilruba रूठ जाए तो मैं क्या करूं? But in the first song I'm giving a justification. Dilruba कभी रूठा नहीं. Dilruba, 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 Dilruba. दिलरुबा कभी रूठा नहीं, मुझे पैगाम भेजा यही, तू खुशियों का उजाला है, तूने खुद को सही संभाला है, दीवानापन का चाहत है अभी, आवारापन का इरादा है कभी, तुमसे है प्यार का इशारा, आंखों आंखों में है मौज का नजारा. I'm a Thailand heart in love, I'm a Thailand soul in fun and happiness. You are my Thailand love, you are my Thailand soul. So I will tell Suraj Bajratia my outlook and presentation style when Rajat Bala is presenting this film with the first song opening credit title. Then I am taking Bangkok city and placing my hero on cycle and run on cycle, and various parts of Bangkok city I'm shooting and placing this song in the background. So I'm telling Suraj Bajratia in 1989 you gave a modern presentation in Maine Pyar Kiya. The style of music, Ram Lakshman is a very talented, very knowledgeable music director. He knows how to take Western classical music and put them into Hindi music. I have no song like Aja Sham Hone Aayi, Mausam Ne Liya Angadai. तो फिर क्या बात है, तो किस बात की है लड़ाई, आजा शाम होने आई, मौसम ने लिया अंगड़ाई. This तरीके का गाना हमारे पास है नहीं. But high pitched songs are there. Somehow I don't have a song like तुम लड़की हो मैं लड़का हूँ, तुम आई तो सच कहता हूँ कि आया मौसम दोस्ती का. I don't have a song like this, but I am always I have written all the songs in non-symmetrical way, non-symmetrical South Asian music. Modernity, I am showing some kind of modernity in Bangkok presentation. It is a huge pressure on Rajat to present a film like this in Bangkok, Thailand, with 8 songs. When Balu sang all the songs in Maine Pyar Kiya, he was a giant in South Indian music industry. But there was a gap of 1980, Ek Duje Ke Liye, singing all the songs. A gap of 8 years, 9 years, 1989, Maine Pyar Kiya. But I'm saying I am quite happy, quite confident about all 8 songs. But I'm going through the tunes, I'm correcting the tunes. I am sure Suraj Bajratia will be very happy with my presentation, and I will request Suraj Bajratia to hear me, and I will request Salman Bhai to hear my presentation in the morning presentation from music room. I have a cinema screen in the background, but my projection is not working. The projector is not working. I have a cinema screen in the background. That cinema screen has a curtain, and I will tell Suraj Bajratia to hear me. My music composition notes going to Thailand Symphony Orchestra to do the orchestration with them online, and I will again talk with Suraj Bajratia on time. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. Have a nice day. This video will be updated on Instagram and Facebook very soon. Thank you. Good day.